Hello everyone, my name is Hamza with Unlimited Prepay Distribution. I work with RepairDesk, our point of sale system we're offering for you guys today. So this system will help you with your inventory management, repair ticket tracking, employee and customer management, reports, and store marketing. So today we're offering a great deal for you guys. Instead of paying the full price, which is $70 a month, it will be 50% off. So instead of paying $70, it will be $35. So take advantage of that and give us a call. Thank you.